Sending your children back to school brings so much for parents to think about, and Omni Family Health wanted to take one stressor off of your mind when it comes to your children's food. Joining us now to discuss healthy eating habits to keep in your mind for your children is Omni Family Health's Dr. Niharika Purney. It's good to see you. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Okay, so let's get into the important things to discuss about our children's meals. Is it important for kids to eat a healthy breakfast before they go to school?
Starting the day with a healthy meal not only makes a difference in the health, but also the academic performance of the kids. As per American Academy of Pediatrics, studies have shown that kids who eat breakfast regularly, they tend to have more concentration, they have more energy, they have lesser behavioral issues, and they also tend to maintain a healthy weight. And also, American Dietetic Association states that 25 to 33% of a child's total caloric intake should come from breakfast alone, as well as majority of his or her calcium intake.
What about
Definitely.
Children who pack lunches? What are some helpful tips to give to ensure that they're taking a healthy and balanced lunch?
It's a very simple formula. Fill half of their plate with colorful fruits and vegetables, one quarter with whole grains, and the next quarter with protein. Protein source could be anything. It could be chicken, boiled eggs, fish, cheese cubes. You can also pack healthy sides and snacks. In regards to liquids, water, unflavored milk, and fruit juices can be packed.
I know that something that parents worry about is if their child is actually eating lunch every day at school. How important is that, and what can parents do to make sure that they do have that lunch?
Children and adolescents who eat regularly are able to do very well in school, and they have fewer classroom disruptions. One most important way to find out if your child is growing adequately and getting all the nutrition adequately is by well child cares. Omni provides well child cares for all the kids from birth to age 18, where we compare their growth with the standardized growth charts. And then based on that, we can give you any kind of advices if needed.
If kids are eating breakfast and lunch at school, are they receiving a well-balanced meal?
Absolutely. USDA and National School Lunch Program are carefully designed to meet the nutritional needs of the kids. By limiting the amount of salt, sugar, fat, and by increasing the amount of vitamins and minerals such as iron, the lunch meals have become absolutely nutritious.
Are there any programs that Omni has if a parent can't pay for their children's school meal?
Yes, luckily California has state meal mandate program where one nutritionally adequate meal should be provided for a needy child at free of cost. And actually, due to pandemic, all the schools are offering free lunches for all the kids.
That's wonderful news. Dr. Purney, I want to thank you for joining us and sharing all this information. I know that children's health is most important, and we want to be sure that parents can just lessen their stresses as they're sending their kids off to go back to school. So for more information, you can go to omnifamilyhealth.org. That's their website. And thank you again, Dr. Purney.